1, go.
Blue Alliance launching lots of fuel into the Blue Alliance hub. Fusion Core make lots of their fuel. Full Metal Jackets is over the bump and refilling the robot in the neutral zone, followed closely by Enigma. Fusion Core plowing through the neutral zone as well. BBQ is lined up on the bump. Fusion Core takes some shots at the Blue Alliance hub. They're not quite lined up. Full Metal Jackets waste no time. They fire on the Red Alliance hub. Revelation helping out the Red Alliance. They didn't quite like that fuel ball. That one can go away. The Blue Alliance shift, all three robots are in the neutral zone. Fusion Core and Enigma head back over to the Blue Alliance zone. Fusion Core still trying to collect fuel. The human players are doing their job, filling the Blue Alliance hub with fuel from their end. Fusion Core forces their way through the trench, stopping for nothing. Full Metal Jackets unleashing another flood of fuel into the Red Alliance hub. Revelation helping them out. Full Metal Jackets and Enigma are neck and neck in the rankings. They're going to try to they're going to try to swap places. Iron Fangs is hung up on the Alliance bump. BBQ shuttling more fuel over to the Red Alliance side so their partners Full Metal Jackets can continue their onslaught onto the Red Alliance hub with 10 seconds remaining in the match. Fuel firing over the scoring table. 3, 2, 1. It's a Red Alliance victory, 204 to 38. Just a reminder, the field